Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to fix a problem with the charging port on your device. This particular one uses USB-C, however it's the same principle for Apple or for a USB Mini. So the issue that most people experience is when you plug it in, so the problem that most people experience is that when you plug in your USB, nothing. So as you can see, we've got power at the cable, but nothing coming through to the device. So the problem is caused by dirt and fluff getting into the port. You won't be able to see it, even if I put the camera right the way down into there. You're not going to be able to see anything in there, but trust me, the phone's going to be living in your pocket and it's going to get dirt and dust in there, and it's just going to be enough that it's not going to be able to make a good contact. So what we're going to do is clean out this port. At this point I just want to say, don't use anything metal when cleaning this port out, and make sure the device is powered off when you do the cleaning process. So what you're going to need for the cleaning is a toothpick and a Stanley knife blade. So what we're going to do is just flatten out the tip of this cocktail stick. So simply shaving small amounts off the tip so that you have a flat side to it. So I'm going to continue to work on this and I'll come back to you when this has been shaped. So I've worked away at this, and as you can see, if I turn it to one side, it's very thin, but it's still got the width there, and you're going to need that thinness to get into the port. So let's get started on cleaning the port out. So the device is powered off, and just going to slip this in to the port and just have a good poke around. Very difficult to do one-handed, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a good clean, and once I get the results out of this port I'll come back. That's the dirt that we got out of the port. I'll show you the port now. It's not going to look any different, but all of that came out. Like I said, all sort of fluff from inside the pocket. So let's just see whether that's solved the problem. I've plugged the device in, and as you can see, it's now charging. So that's a win. Hope this video has been useful to you. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me make more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.